Alright, we're doing I woke up in the morning like again like 3 o'clock, 3:30. I was thinking focaccia at first, you know, like Gorgonzola focaccia, you know. And then I was thinking a Gorgonzola pizza with, you know, a white pizza with, I thought chicken, you could put, it's like a medium, you put anything. Shrimp, soupy, whatever. So I said, yo, let's try it out. So B's gonna roll out a dough for me. And we're gonna put this thing together here. In the meantime, I'll show you how, you know, there's a million ways to peel a shrimp. But here, that's how I've always learned to do it. Okay? Sometimes I leave the tail on. Here I'm gonna leave the tail off. There's some nice ones. And then, again, there's a million ways to devein a shrimp. If I hold it like this, see? But here's the funny part. People freak out if they get a, you know, like a peeled shrimp and it's got that vein in it. But how about when they do peel and eats? People just peel the shrimp and dip it into cocktail sauce and eat it. They don't even think about the vein they're eating. It's funny. I always save the shells. Okay. So then I'm gonna cut them into 4 pieces. Try to do it on the thin side if you can be. Is that a large or a small?
Large.
Okay.
Want me to use large?
Well, you got it already almost there, so we'll go with it. Do one more. Besides, we'll be eating this one. All right, Glenn?
Dinner time.
All right, we'll be right back. We're going to go over to the pizza station. All right, Daddy Jack's go with the blues here. So, again, we're going to put together that shrimp and Gorgonzola pizza. So, we're going to put a little bit of the regular cheese blend and some Gorgonzola. You have Gorgonzola over here?
I do. I have it underneath.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Real light on the 3 cheese blend. I like to go all the way out to the crust. A lot of, you know, not leave a whole lot of. I hate when you get a pizza, it's got that much crust on it, like a Neapolitan. You know, some people like it like that, but so I'm gonna dot it with the shrimp. Oh boy, huh? Woo! We didn't skimp on a shrimp. That's huh? Okay, gonna throw a little bit of tomato on there.
Yep.
Use the other hand, by the way. There's a little bit of garlic. What do you think?
Yeah.
Nope.
All right.
Right in the oven. Let's see how she comes out. What's up, Corey? Oh yeah. We're right over here. Woo! I'm gonna do the honors.
Yeah, you do the honors, sir. That's a good looking pie.
Grab my phone. Wow. You put some cheese on the
What?
crust?
No, that's from me taking the red sauce. I spread it out with I paint it on the dough so everywhere gets it.
Oh yeah, baby. That's Daddy Jack's go with the blues. Hallelujah. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit, then you can join us at the back table, Glenn.
That sounds good.
Woo!
Typical restaurateurs where we
So Corey, take a seat. You're gonna stand up and eat this thing? 'Cause I'm gonna sit down like human beings. But trust me, man, it's hot.
yeah, looks hot.
Corey, we all eat on the run.
That's right.
Ben,
T-minus 20 seconds and back behind the bar.
over here. Wow. Ready, Benny?
Oh yeah.
Oh man. That is a winner.
Oh yeah.
It's really good.
The first bite. Josh, you want to try a piece? Grab a plate. Yeah, I'll give you. I was going to hold this one back. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Huh? Don't forget that when I ask for iced tea or
Hey,
half cranberry, half water.
I'll remember.
Well, the first bite was with the Gorgonzola.
Perfect.
Sans, we'll call it sans shrimp. Shrimp on the side
Yep.
without the shrimp. Second bite with that shrimp.
Crust is dynamite too.
B. Gonna try a piece?
Very small one.
There you go. Right there.
Yep.
B's crust.
That's good.
B's taking over the pizza station a couple weeks back. Yeah, it's no joke. We're getting
Might have to have one more.
Uber compliments about your pizza.
That's right.
Thank you. I'm glad.
Really great.
I love it.
But as Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues, you know, we're kind of all family here. We spend more time together than we do our own family. And that's just the way it is. We don't always get along, but we try. And, you know.
I got all the remedies for that. Right back
What's that, a shot of whiskey?
Shift drink. No.
there. Jameson.
Or a knuckle sandwich, whatever works.
Either one.
All right, this is Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. Ciao.
Ciao.